Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if you're getting this error, your payment method was declined. Please click billing info and update your payment information. If you cancel, you may not be able to buy until this billing issue has been resolved. So if you are getting this error on your iPhone and you really want to purchase something but you're getting this error, then I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is update your Apple ID payment information. For that you can simply click on settings, click on your Apple ID, or you can just go to App Store. If you have signed in your Apple ID here, you can click on user icon and you can simply click on your Apple ID username, then click on manage payments, then click on billing address and make sure that you enter the correct billing address. You can enter the street address and you can enter the name that on the card, right on the your debit or credit card. So once you have done this, once you have just fixed the mistakes in your billing address, your first name, surname and the street. So once you have done this, then the next step is check your purchase history. So if you have any unpaid purchases in your Apple ID history, so you have to pay that before you buy anything else, otherwise you will get this error. So now the next step is add a new payment method to use. So if your credit card is declined, you can just add the new payment method. For that you can also go to your Apple ID into App Store and then simply click on manage payments, and then you can add new payment method. For that you can just enter your credit card information, then simply click on done. So once you have added the new payment information, then you will be able to buy. You won't get this error. And if you're still getting this error, then you have to sign out your Apple ID from the App Store and log in again. So once you have done this and it's still not working, then contact your bank and also contact Apple support for the help. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.